Hey guys, Mike Potts with Lakeshore RV. I am here today with the Keystone Passport GT Series 2951 BH, coming in price-wise $35,997 or approximately $300 a month. For qualified buyers, call me with any questions. 231-215-2750 or text me. Reach out to us up at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. We ship nationwide, so that means yes, we will ship it directly to your door, and we also have nationwide financing, so we can handle everything under one roof here at Lakeshore RV. Let's check this thing out. Huge, spacious bunkhouse, room for everybody in this camper. Towability on this is about 6,700 pounds, so your half-ton truck should handle it just fine. Total length is gonna be 33 foot and 4 inches. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Again, reach out to me personally with any questions, text or call. That's 231-215-2750. Any of us can handle you up at the store, 231-788-2040, or check out our inventory on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Thanks for the watch. I look forward to hearing from you.